Hello, today I'm going to show you how to complete the fees page of your application in the Provider Management module for Vermont Medicaid. If you're an individual provider, you are not going to be presented with this fees page. Under application fee, there's going to be some information for you to review regarding why we are requesting a fee. It will tell you when it was last updated, it will give you information on how much the fee is, and if a fee is due, where to send your check to. If a fee is due from you for your application, once you submit your application, that application will be in a holding pattern until your fee is received. You must send the fee within 30 days upon submission of your application. If we do not receive the fee payment within 30 days, your application could be denied and you may have to start over. In order to determine whether or not a fee is due from you for your application, there's a series of 4 questions located on this page. You need to answer each one of these questions in order to determine if that fee is going to be due from you. The first question is asking if the service location that you're enrolling has paid a fee to Medicare. Are you Medicare enrolled? If your answer is yes, you're going to enter that answer here and you're going to select the date that you enrolled with Medicare. If your answer is no, you're going to leave that as no. Next, we're going to ask you if you've paid an application fee to another state's Medicaid program for this specific service location. If your answer is yes, select yes and tell us the state and the date that you made the payment to that other state Medicaid. If your answer is no, select no. Question number 3 is asking if you've received a waiver of the application fee from Medicare or another state's Medicaid program because of financial hardship. So, if you had your fee waived from Medicare, or if when enrolling in another state Medicaid agency, you had the fee waived due to a financial hardship, you're going to select yes. If the answer is no, you're simply going to select no. And finally, we're going to ask you if you are requesting a waiver of the application fee because of financial hardship. If the answer is yes, you're going to select yes, and if the answer is no, you're going to select no. If you select no to each one of these questions, it's going to tell you at the bottom the amount due for you for this application. This is where you're going to be required to send in that application fee payment within 30 days of submitting your application. If you answer yes to any one of these questions, it's going to tell you that no fee is due today. Upon submission of your application, we're going to verify the information that you submitted on your application. For instance, if you are stating that you're Medicare enrolled and you select, we're going to verify your Medicare enrollment. If you've selected that you've paid the application fee to another state Medicaid program, we're going to verify that information. Once the information is verified, your application will be released and will continue on for processing. In the same respect, once we have received your payment due, if any, your application will be released for processing. Once you've answered all the necessary information on this page of the application, you're ready to move on by clicking Save and Continue.